What encoding should I use for Python CSV files? Imagine opening a CSV file and seeing strange symbols or question marks instead of the proper characters. That can happen if the encoding isn't right. When working with CSV files in Python, encoding is how the computer understands and stores the characters in your file. The most common encoding used is UTF-8. This encoding can handle almost all characters from different languages and special symbols. That's why it is the best choice for most projects, especially when your data includes non-English text or symbols. If you are creating a new CSV file or working with data that might have special characters, always choose UTF-8 encoding. When opening or saving CSV files in Python, you can tell Python what encoding to use by adding the encoding parameter in the open function. For example, you can write open data CSV. Encoding is equal to UTF-8 to read a file. Some older CSV files might use other encodings like ISO 88591 or Windows 1-52. These are common on systems that default to those settings. If you see strange characters or errors when reading a CSV file, it might be using a different encoding. You can try opening the file with a different encoding or use a library called Chartit to automatically detect the encoding. Always specify the encoding when you open a CSV file in Python. Using UTF-8 for new projects is a safe bet unless you have a specific reason to choose another encoding. If you are unsure about the encoding of a file, test your code with different options. You can also handle encoding errors gracefully by using the errors parameter in the open function, which helps avoid crashes if the encoding isn't perfect. Following these simple steps will help you read and write CSV files correctly in Python. This way, you avoid data corruption or misinterpretation, making your automation and scripting tasks smoother. Remember, proper encoding ensures your data looks right and stays intact, especially when working across different systems or languages.